basic versus advanced English sentences. She's being creative.
She's thinking outside the box.
I'm investigating.
I'm digging deeper.
He is heartbroken.
He's down in the dumps.
I am staying at home.
I'm staying put.
He is very strong.
He is as tough as nails.
I am unsure.
I'm on the fence.
They are in a hurry.
They're racing against the clock.
I am feeling hopeful.
I'm seeing the light at the end of the tunnel.
I am thinking.
I'm racking my brain.
I'm very happy.
I am over the moon.
I'm very surprised.
I'm blown away.
I'm leaving now.
I'm taking off.
I'll see you later.
I'll catch you later.
I'm very angry.
I'm fuming.
I'm very excited.
I'm thrilled.